Supplementary problem number 9. A 25-foot long board is to be cut into two parts. The longer part is 1 foot, more than twice the shorter part. How long is each part? Okay, so first we need to assume our smaller part. So we let x be our smaller part of the board. So this is our smaller part. Okay, so since we are tasked to determine how long in each part, okay, so we let x be our smaller part, and 25-foot long is to be cut into two parts. If we try to evaluate, it means that the difference of 25-foot and our smaller part is the total of the board. Okay, so we let the difference of 25 and our smaller part x is the longer part. Okay, so just like we did in our previous example, so this is our longer part. Okay, so that is our longer part, the difference of the 25-foot and our smaller part. Okay, so that is our longer part, 25 minus x. Okay, moving on. Uh, the 25-foot long is to be cut into two parts. If we try to evaluate from our equation, the longer part is 1 foot. Okay, the longer part, which is 25 minus x, that is equal sign, is 1 foot more. So, more is plus 1, more than twice the shorter part. What is our shorter part? That is x. Twice. Okay, so if we rewrite our statement into our algebraic equation, okay, that is 25 minus x, that is our longer part, that is equal uh, 2x plus 1, that is 2 twice the shorter 2x, and 1 foot more, that is plus 1. Okay, so this is our determined equation. Okay, so I hope our example is clear to our viewers. So from here, we can finally solve for our value of our x. Yes. Okay, so we transpose x to the other side. That will become 3x. How about 1 transpose to the other side? This is 25 minus 1. That is 24. Therefore, our x is equal to 24 over 3. Finally, our x is equal to 8. How about for our longer part? That is 25 minus the smaller part is equal to 25 minus 8, that is equal to 17. Okay, so our smaller part is 18 and our longer part is 17. If we do the math, that is equal to 25. That is our 25-foot long. So we can safely assume that our answer is correct. How about if we see it on the other um, way around? For example, if we let x be still our smaller number and we start our longer part from the statement. So the longer part is 1 foot more than twice the shorter part. So 1 foot more. So that is x plus 1, right? Okay, so twice the shorter part plus 1, so that is our larger part. So that is 2x plus 1 is our, we let 2x plus 1 is be the longer part, okay? Be the longer part. Okay. Okay. So from our statement, it will become let 2x be our longer part. Okay, so that is our longer part. So 2x plus 1. So we need to have our equation. Okay, so now if we write our equation, so the 25 footboard is to be cut into two parts. It means that the summation of our two parts is 25 foot long, right? So okay, so let's start with our smaller number to determine our equation. So to be cut into two parts, it means the sum. So that our smaller number plus our longer part, 2x plus 1, is equal to 25. Okay, so this is our equation. So from the statement, okay, so solving for the value of our x from the equation, so that is 3x a transpose positive 1, it will become negative 1. So 24 minus 1, that is 25 minus 1, that is 24. Okay, so therefore our x is equal to 24 over 3. Finally, our x is equal to 8. And the longer part, that is 2x plus 1, is equal to 2 times 8, that is 16 plus 1, that is 17. So their answer is the same, but in a different way to determine their equations. Okay, I hope you comprehend with our solution. Moving on to our next example.